welcome back, guys. As you guys know, we're talking about the best innings that we remember from our memory, and let us try in this segment to slash at it and slash at it hard. Okay, and for that, let's try to keep every innings to a time limit so that not everyone who's listening gets bored. And I'm talking to Jesha. I mean,
And Anurag Thakur, maybe.
Anurag Thakur. Jaisha को again tangential, but Jaisha को finance minister
जयशा
बनना
को
चाहिए.
अगर स्लैश हार्ड बोलोगे तो ही माइट टेक अदर मीनिंग्स ऑफ दैट.
पापा को बता देगा वो.
पापा को बता
बट
देगा.
अपन अपन ऐसे ही मरेंगे, इंडिया जाने नहीं मिलेगा इसके बाद तो अपन. यही सब बातें करोगे.
भाई
हाँ,
अभी तो ये यूएस वाले भी वीजा फॉर्म में सोशल मीडिया मांगने लगे हैं.
हाँ.
तो वो तो अच्छा, वो
तो जब
लिंक्डइन ऑप्शन था. अगर मैं ट्विटर ट्विटर देता तो यहाँ का भी वीजा नहीं मिलता और इंडिया में तो कोई घुसने देता नहीं कभी.
सोचो पॉडकास्ट का लिस्ट नाम मांगने लगे नाम तो
इसीलिए
फिर.
इसीलिए we have like this is why I don't know if Aditya you realize this is why consciously we've never used our last names ever, and I don't
यस
plan to.
या.
Huh. So anyway, so moving back to the list, the next innings that I want to talk about is, according to me, one of those innings that actually changed the way Test cricket was played after it, and also a Test match. In fact, the whole series, which basically established Australia as the next greatest side after the West Indies of the 70s and the 80s.
And it
And
redefined what wicketkeeper batsmen are.
yeah, basically, I mean, this innings in hindsight has so much to like, so much to kind of offer us in terms of how we view Test cricket now and what we want out of players now. So I'm talking about the innings that Adam Gilchrist played in Hobart in 1999 against Pakistan. So let me set up the stage a little. Pakistan. So if you guys remember, India and Pakistan toured simultaneously, like subsequently. Australia in
पाकिस्तान
99.
टूर्ड फर्स्ट. हाँ.
Pakistan toured first, and then India toured,
एंड
and
देन दे ऑल मेट फॉर अ ट्राई सीरीज.
then they all met for a try series. But and both the score line, if you see, are 3-0, 3-0. But
Yeah,
Pakistan was a better team.
competed. Yeah.
हाँ.
इंडिया का असली 3-0 था. 24 कैरेट
इंडिया का
3-0.
Yeah.
प्रॉपर 3-0 था, एक उस लक्ष्मण की इनिंग्स के अलावा, क्योंकि देबांग गांधी हमारा ओपनर था.
हाँ. विजय भारद्वाज ने टेस्ट मैच खेला.
विजय भारद्वाज, खैर ठीक.
एमएस के प्रसाद हमारा विकेट कीपर था. सो
एमएस के प्रसाद अगर
चीफ
आज
सिलेक्टर.
आज खेल रहा होता ना, आज के टाइम में अगर प्लेयर होता तो उसको 11वें नंबर पे भेजते बैटिंग करने.
एमएस के प्रसाद खुद उसको सिलेक्ट नहीं
सिलेक्ट
करता.
नहीं करता. या
तो but anyway, the first test was close, but Pakistan ended up losing it. Which was still, if I don't know, they in the first test, Shoaib did not play. I don't know why he did not play in that game. But then this
बिकॉज
game happened.
पाकिस्तान का ऐसा रिचेस का टाइम था ना व्हेन इट
yeah,
केम टू
it was
फास्ट
like
वकार
Wasim
डिड प्ले.
Wakar, Wasim Wakar, Shoaib all there, and Azhar Mahmood was there.
रजाक
Actually,
सकलेन.
जब हम अभी we were talking about a greatest innings of players who haven't scored 5,000 test runs. Azhar Mahmood का innings in South Africa during
साउथ
the same
अफ्रीका.
time
Yeah,
that
yeah,
we
yeah,
toured
yeah.
them. They
Yeah,
won
यस.
a test match in South Africa, as far as I remember.
yeah.
बट डू यू सी ए ट्रेंड देयर? काफी सारे जगहों में इंडिया और पाकिस्तान सेम सीजन में टूर करते थे.
हाँ,
इंग्लैंड 96 97 वाज आल्सो पाकिस्तान टूर्ड फर्स्ट,
exactly.
इंडिया टूर्ड
And,
लेटर.
and and Pakistan actually won the series.
पाकिस्तान वन द सीरीज वो गांगुली डेब्यू सीरीज में. हाँ.
हाँ, और हम वहाँ पे भी आई थिंक 1-0 या
रेस्पेक्टेबल टूर था 1-0.
Yeah.
1-0 एजबेस्टन में टेस्ट मैच हार गए थे अपन. So this innings, so Gilchrist का second test था, I think. And in the first test, he had scored some 85 odd, same 81 ball पे 85. Like Gilchrist was being Gilchrist, so like everybody knew. And but as we were talking in the last like Azhar innings, right? It was unheard of because Australia was supposed to chase 369 in 5 sessions. So basically, any team will play for the draw. And उसपे से this had, I think, a decent opening, but Ricky Ponting, Slater सब पट एक साथ out हुए, and they ended up being around 126 for 5 when Gilchrist comes into bat. And then he just unleashes. There's this moment,
Yeah.
Langer वाला moment याद है जब when he's out but he doesn't
कॉट
walk.
बिहाइंड ना.
Yeah,
थिक
yeah,
एज यार.
yeah.
थिक एज मतलब यू कुड हियर इट लाइव वैसा.
रॉब लिंडा का वीडियो है, चीटर ऑजीज. cheetah ball. But seriously, like this innings, because at no point after Gilchrist comes in do they look under any kind of pressure. In fact, one of the greatest, again, ye one of those test matches, right, where you don't remember if you what you've watched live and what you've seen
What's
in
yeah.
highlights, right? So to get his 50, Gilchrist Vakar Vakar is bowling, and Gilchrist just walks down the track and pew, slaps him for four, and
और
that's
ये
how he gets 50.
और ये वकार का थोड़ा एक्चुअली फेज ऑफ डिक्लाइन
हाँ, I
वो
mean
टाइम
वो
Yeah, yeah.
his back injury के बाद वकार was never the same. लेकिन you're still like you are playing your second test match and Vakar Yunis is bowling to you and you're close to getting a 50. And like the amount of confidence that you need to just walk down the track and just slap him. That's even like Akram. Mm, Akram को मैंने ये phase में again Akram was not bowling as fast as Akram used to bowl, but
बट ही वाज
Akram
स्टिल अ मैजिशियन हाँ
he could bowl six balls in like six different types of balls in an
एंड
over.
वेयर ही वांटेड टू लैंड इट अनलाइक आगरकर
I don't know why even you mention Agar like क्या प्रॉब्लम
Fa-
क्या है अब वसीम अकरम और अगर
नहीं
Fastest to 50 wickets, man.
मैन फिर
अजीत अगरकर का अभी वही
नहीं
time
आगरकर कुड स्विंग द बॉल बट द प्रॉब्लम वाज उसको जहां लैंड करना था वहां नहीं करता था
उस
No,
मामले में
man, but
देवाशीष
seriously,
मोहंती बेस्ट था
ODIs में, like, he used to be a decent death bowler.
initially
Yeah, initially. Yeah, he had
इवन अ
good
न्यू
yaws
बॉल
well.
बॉलर भी काफी विकेट टेकिंग था
I
नो
think the greatest Indian overseas spell up until like the last decade was Agarkar's 6 for
That's 6 for
23
47.
6 for
आई
6 for 47
कंटेस्ट
sorry yeah,
दैट
6
6
for
for 6
47
for 23 तो नहरा जीते
नेहरा जी
that
का
one में.
sorry
Yeah.
आई कंटेस्ट दैट
क्यों
उसमें देयर आर क्वाइट अ फ्यू लकी विकेट्स इन दैट वो क्या साइमन कैटिज डीप में कैच दे
वो
रहा है
इंडियन फास्ट बॉलर्स को वैसे ही विकेट मिलता है
So,
भाई
भाई ईशांत 7 for 74. Literally everybody got caught out in the deep.
एवरीबॉडी
But
थ्रू देयर विकेट
but
yeah,
that was still planned
नहीं
because
बेस्ट स्पेल वाज जहीर ट्रेंट ब्रिज
but again greatest innings guys greatest innings
yeah.
okay yeah sorry हाँ
but I was talking about Wasim Akram. So there is this point where Wasim Akram bowls a usual good ball which pitches at off stump and has like a slight deviation towards like offside. And Gilly cuts it to deep point for four. And then the camera pans to Wasim's face, and the look on Wasim's face is like ye kalka londa. Like literally, like his hands are on his hips, and he's like, "What the fuck is happening here?" And then they just they're like a picture like a movie they have like 12 13 left to win and Langer gets out and then Gilly takes them to the
Yeah.
end and wins the game for them. I mean, let's go to Nishant, what do you remember about this innings and where were you when this happened? I mean, apart from being sad about the Indian team.
I honestly, I have seen more of this in the highlights. I don't actually remember seeing. I mean, I
It
was
live.
obviously following it somehow. Yeah,
Mm.
I don't remember seeing it live. Um, so yeah, again, Australia में the worst part was that live देख नहीं पाते थे, right? Because the match
Today
used to
early
begin
morning.
it was early morning by the time you get back from school. सब खत्म हो चुका होता था. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, but yeah, highlights में जो मैंने देखा है, it was um, some of, I mean, just the audacity of what he did was
The,
just something
I'm
to
like confidence.
see. Yeah.
There was something about the way like there was never you never
And they were
felt
those big grounds, by the way. मतलब they were not, the boundaries were not brought in those days. So
but like Hobart is still like I will say in terms of Australian ground, Hobart is still one of those
yeah,
which is
okay,
smaller ones
yeah,
Hmm. But no, I agree. And talking of like watching the games in the morning, one innings that we talked a lot about, but we are not picking it up was the Assels 222. That is one
yeah.
test match
Oh
where
man.
I actually woke up in the morning, non-Indian
and that was
game.
a weekend huh?
No,
that day was a weekend if
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not wrong
it
सैटरडे संडे में से एक दिन
so
था वो.
the interesting thing about that test is that before Assel does that, Graham Thorpe also makes a 200 and 230 odd balls. And
And subsequently, Gilchrist also scores a quick 200 in South Africa a month or two later, or in the same couple of weeks का span में.
तो मतलब like some memories just stick with you. This is again this 2002 में हुआ था एसल वाला मैच. And I don't even know why I woke up to watch that. It's not like I was expecting something to happen, but like somehow I just was watching when, and I had never like effortless sixes. Anyway, the innings that
और
we
मेरे दिमाग for some reason मेरे दिमाग में वो game registers as a day night test जैसा atmosphere.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
क्योंकि न्यूजीलैंड
In
में हो
my
रहा है
head
ना
न्यूजीलैंड में
कम
हो
है
रहा है और लाइट कम है. अच्छा ये so the fastest double में Astle वाला वो inning. Then you had another one by Gilchrist in the exact same month.
अच्छा
So that was a month for fast double hundreds.
ऐसा ऐसा होता है ऐसा like sometimes it just
And
happens.
Graham Thorpe also in the same month,
So same
same
test,
series.
same
series,
test.
Same test.
Same
Yeah.
same test. So three quick double hundreds in the same month of
I
test
think
cricket.
Graham
So-
Thorpe broke the record of the fastest double hundred, and then in the next innings, Assel breaks his record. That's how it happened.
But Assel got it in like 150 balls, no? मतलब it was
153.
Yeah.
तो हाँ मतलब वो तो unimagined. But like Aditya Gilchrist, Hobart,
Gilchrist. अच्छा तो
redefining
so
cricket.
that series. हाँ, so redefining cricket तो मेरा दिमाग में till then I didn't know what to make of the Australian Test side. So having seen them getting thrashed in India in '98, so फिर subsequently World Cup जीत लिया उन लोगों ने. So you are not really sure in your head, right, as a kid कि ये team great है, unbeatable है क्या? So till then they had this Ian Healy जो बूढ़ा wicket keeper type दिमाग में एक memory है, and Healy gets farewell. फिर गिलक्रिस्ट कम्स इन. आई हैव सीन अ बिट ऑफ गिलक्रिस्ट इन द पास्ट ईयर. साउथ अफ्रीका में एक वनडे सीरीज में उसने रन बनाया एंड ऑल दैट. बट दिस इज द मोमेंट व्हिच एस्टैब्लिशेस इन योर हेड दैट दिस ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम इज हार्ड टू बीट.
हाँ, this
बेसिकली
is
360. हाँ,
even when up until this moment, I think उसके इंडिया टूर इसके बाद होता है actually.
इंडिया टूर इसके बाद
हाँ,
होता
Yeah,
है.
it's 2000. Yeah.
तो
तो
उस वक्त
this is I think this is pre Diwali. So ये Pakistan Australia series happens somewhere around Diwali. I remember another spell by Waqar or Shoaib bowling a real quick spell to Ponting को सिर पे मारा और and all that. That is around Diwali. So that
I
is
think
that
it's
phase. So
this
first
test match only.
this test match only. So probably ये वो phase का है. So I remember watching. So मेरा school would be 12:45 in the afternoon. So I had tuitions around 9:30. So I watched the first session ka bit, the start of that Gilchrist Langer partnership, and then by the time I go to school, but I'm still pretty certain कि ये हार जाएगा ये लोग करके. And when I come back, I see like 363. They have chased it down comfortably. मतलब they don't break a sweat by the end of it, right? And रात को आके फिर then my only memories of watching cricket in Australia a lot of in that phase is like this 1 hour highlights at the end of the day. So 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the night they would have a 1 hour highlights, a proper 1 hour highlights.
वो भी क्या दिन
In
थे.
fact a lot of Australian test cricket in your head is registered as if you have watched it live, because ye highlights would do its best to capture this essence of the day, including dot balls and the build up
You're
to a
very right.
wicket and all.
Actually, the only time that I remember is अपना 2003 tour, जहाँ पे like a proper I'm like I'm talking about like other series is one of days you wake up, some days you don't wake up. But this 2003 series is very properly. I wake up at 4 or ठंड. I think January even 2003 में भी जब हुआ ये series जो भी ठंड का time I remember, and चादर वादर ओढ़ के I'm watching, and I mean that was a different kind of series. Beating Australia feels good no matter if if there are players or actors whoever there are.
I've talked to a couple of colleagues from Pakistan of mine, and like one of them was like उसके बाद cricket देखना छोड़ दिया type का. So
I still think that for Pakistanis, I will say, क्योंकि ये again I don't have the scorecard in front of me. If any of you have it, is it before the World Cup or after it's after the World Cup, right?
It's after the World Cup, na?
Yeah, because World Cup '99 England.
So
May June was World Cup.
May June was World
because
Cup,
this is like their dream team. This is the greatest Pakistani team that is playing, and for at least to me. So like, फिर in
greatest Pakistani team ever playing and Ijaz Ahmed.
यार दुनिया बोल सकती है. You being an Indian cricket fan, you cannot. इजाज अहमद ने जितना
अरे
मारा है ना अपन को.
लाहौर में जो फेंटा लगाया
Exactly. एक तो ना कभी लाइक
उसका स्टांस कैसा
एग्जैक्ट
था?
में यही
एक
बोलने
बार
वाला यही बोलने वाला था, वो पैरों के बीच में बैठ,
या
पैरों के बीच में बैठ, ओ
बे-
माय गॉड।
वो बेसबॉल ही खेलता
मैंने
था
ट्राई किया वो
उसके यहाँ।
एक दो बार, पर होता नहीं अपन
हाँ,
से,
हम्म,
क्योंकि
and even his grip was like, I mean, he wasn't.
बॉटम हैंड
Yeah,
मतलब
he was. I don't know how to describe it. It was वो थोड़ा like um, but क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कसाई की तरह बैट पकड़ता था. It was not
हाँ, कसाई is a right word for his
बुच्चर,
batting
yeah,
actually.
but
butcher.
Butcher.
here's the thing, he has century in every Australian tour,
Yeah.
so like
And Inzi has an atrocious record in Australia. The other end of the spectrum.
इंजी से तो मुझे 2003 वर्ल्ड कप याद आता है। वर्ल्ड कप के पहले इंजी ने बोला कि आई एम ऑन अ स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट, आई एम लूजिंग वेट एंड ऑल दैट, और फिर
उसने
वर्ल्ड कप में लाइक
15
सिंगल
रन भी
डिजिट
नहीं बनाया।
एवरेज, उसके बाद बोलते हैं अब आई विल नेवर फकिंग केयर अबाउट लूजिंग वेट।
जितना वेट लॉस किया उससे ज्यादा रन भी नहीं बनाया मैंने क्रिकेट।
तो
Yeah, so yeah, Hobart is basically that for me. It establishes in my head Australia as the test team to beat, because till then that Aussie side was okay as a test team. They used to lose quite a few
Yeah,
series
they
here.
lost the Ashes, the previous Ashes.
They lost the Ashes just a year ago. They had
Yeah.
been thrashed in
ओ
India.
माय गॉड,
Sachin वाला series में,
तो
जो Sachin versus Vaughan
हाँ,
series, and they lost in South Africa, at least a test match here and there. So ये series के बाद they become the
उस वक्त तक
invincibles.
लेकिन याद है तुम लोगों को कि लाइक नोबडी यूज्ड टू लाइक केयर अबाउट इंडिया टूर मच। ऑस्ट्रेलिया एक वन ऑफ टेस्ट खेलने आया था 97 दिल्ली में, जिसमें
Yeah.
Which is Border Gavaskar Trophy का सबसे ugliest trophy.
द ग्रेटेस्ट इनिंग्स नैन मोंगिया
150 मारा यार उसने,
Yeah.
मतलब
He
वही है,
opened, right?
ही ओपनड
ये
विद सिद्धू।
Yeah.
उस वक्त अपन ये सब हेमांग बदानी ने ओपन किया इंडिया के लिए टेस्ट मैचेस में, ठीक है।
फॉग इन दिल्ली का मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस कि दिल्ली का विजिबिलिटी कम है, ये मुझे वहां से पता
डेविड
चला।
जॉनसन खेला था ना उस मैच में।
डेविड जॉनसन खेला था, जरूरत कहाँ था, कुंबले है तो इंडिया में कोई भी खेले उसके साथ क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
डेविड जॉनसन हमारा वकार था तब का।
सबका पारस मामरे was our वकार, come on.
पारस ममरू वाज आवर मैकग्राथ यार, और वकार वाज डेविड
भाई
जॉनसन।
इकबाल सिद्दीकी.
क्यों
बेचारा
लिया
यार,
लोग एक
इकबाल
बार टीनू यूहानन एक टेस्ट मैच खेला के इनको भेज दिया
या
वापस।
अरे टीनू योनन ने उसके बाद भी खेला, ही वेंट टू न्यूजीलैंड,
टीनी
ओपन द
दो लोग
बॉलिंग
हैं जो मुझे डिसअपॉइंट करते, टीनू यूहानन, दूसरा अबी कुरुवेला, इतने लंबे बट
Yeah.
लाइक ले दे के वही 120।
125, yeah.
ओके, बैक टू द
So
इनिंग्स.
basically we've talked about Gilly, I think. This innings, I think if anyone ever asks me how test matches are seen and how what we expect of test matches, I think before this innings and after this innings is like maybe even then when this happened, nobody felt कि ऐसा होगा, पर आज जब आप आज का टेस्ट मैच देखते हो तो it is basically how Gilchrist defined test match batting then is how you see it today.
एंड एज एन इंडियन फैन वो देखने के बाद जब थोड़ा बहुत भी जो होप था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में विल डू ओके, all of that vanished very quickly.
But then coming back to your innings, which you are going to talk about, is the redemption. So tell us about it.
Just 4 years later, so 99 2000 again, this horrible series where nothing goes for us barring 100 by Sachin at MCG or
Lakshman.
Lakshman ka, but by that time you have interest goes away in that series, right? Lakshman ka 160, the reason I do not mention it is कि ठीक है, the series is dead rubber का भी, the deadest part of the dead rubber is when the 100 comes. So I am huge on context in when I watch cricket. तो दिमाग में उसकी वजह से that doesn't register. So 2003 Ganguly era begins. So we quietly have a good tour in England that year, 2002. Not the best England side, but we still do well. NatWest Jita. That's the phase where we beat West Indies in a test match at Trinidad.
So
So
Bangar opening.
We also lost the other one, 120 wala.
yeah, then we lost
Yeah.
subsequently. But at least हम लोगों ने एक टेस्ट मैच वेस्ट इंडीज में जीता, क्योंकि in all my cricket watching career by that time we were
only winning in Sri
towards
Lanka. We only won in Sri
we are
Lanka
only
and one
winning in
test match in Zimbabwe.
Sri Lanka,
Shiv Sundar Das,
Zimbabwe.
amazing batsman.
और जिम्बाब्वे में भी एक टेस्ट मैच हम लोग हारे थे
वो क्या
2001 में.
मैच था मेरे भाई, अपन ने आधे घंटे में 6 विकेट गिरे थे
ट्रेविस
अपने।
फ्रेंड, ट्रेविस
हाँ,
फ्रेंड टेस्ट मैच.
friend of
Travis
no
Friend,
one,
yeah.
that guy.
हाँ, तो ये पूरा कंटेक्स्ट है while we enter Australia, but 2002 was a good year for us क्योंकि पहली बार हमारे क्रिकेट वॉचिंग हिस्ट्री में since 90 mid 90s, after watching all the heartbreaks in overseas tours, we have won 3 test matches in the past year overseas. तो फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच, बैकग्राउंड गांगुली का 144 बेस्ट टेस्ट इनिंग्स दादा का।
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा।
Best test innings. It was, yeah. It was
ठीक है, फर्स्ट डे एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू स्क्रिप्ट। हाँ, ब्रिस्बेन में ऑस्ट्रेलिया 200 इन नो टाइम, पीपल आर गेटिंग थ्रैश्ड, वी हैव अ वेरी पिटिएबल बॉलिंग अटैक। फिर अगले दिन विकेट निकालता है, फर्स्ट टेस्ट में वी टेक अ लीड, एंड सबसे बड़ी गलती जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम ने उस टेस्ट मैच में स्टीव वॉर ने किया was लास्ट डे में इंडिया को थोड़ा सा बैटिंग दे दिया बेसिकली when the game is petering out towards a draw. Dravid comes out, first innings Dravid का काफी खराब गया, second innings he comes out, bats for 10 odd overs, Lakshman and Dravid bat for a while, and by the time we enter Adelaide again thrashing continues ना, 500 रन कंसीड कर दिया, everything is going as per script, मतलब memories of 99 2000 flashback कि फिर से चलो 4 दिन में टेस्ट मैच खत्म, and this is a very poor Australian bowling attack by modern standards. Gillespie was the only one from their frontline bowling attack, right, in that test.
McGill.
Stuart McGill.
नहीं, मैगिल को तो मैगिल इज वॉन नहीं था इसलिए मैगिल खेल रहा था ना, दैट वे नॉट
बॉलर था लेकिन
decent bowler था।
There is a trivia which I read a while ago. In the matches
So
in which Vaughan and McGill have played together, McGill averages and has a better strike rate than Vaughan.
Yeah. But McGill is not the kind of bowler who would scare India. So 180 for 4, we were 80 for 4, right? Who gets run out there? Ganguly gets run out, is it? Do you remember in that first innings?
I remember somebody got run out.
I think
someone got run out.
Like 80 out for 4. We are like
80 out for 4. Just an hour or so, hour and a half of play left, 2 hours of play left. End of the day तक we are okay, reasonable, कुछ तो ऐसा face saving position. The only thing you are hoping for the next day is चलो कहीं से तो follow on avoid हो जाए बस, we'll, because the wicket was really flat, ऐसा पाटा wicket था वो basically, and you are only hoping for things to turn around. Next morning I remember waking up, like I wake up an hour into the first session, and by the time I wake up 200 plus हो गया है score. That's when you start hoping, and Dravid is that day playing an unconventionally attacking knock, right?
उसका double hundred भी छक्के से हुआ, right?
Yeah.
छक्के से हुआ. So next morning, first 1 hour के लिए Dravid and Lakshman are batting. It feels too good to be true, like a repeat of Eden Gardens again. हो नहीं सकता है. Lakshman, as usual, really smooth knock, going through with it. He is pulling, cutting. McGill ko to they are just toying with McGill's bowling in that innings, and for the rest of the series too. So Dravid is playing a unconventionally attacking innings, and almost significant part of his runs came in that single day, right?
Yeah.
The going into that third day's play, he is only around 35
like,
40
like because Kolkata had happened 2 years ago, so it almost reminds you कि हाँ कोलकाता जैसा कुछ हो रहा है, बस अब द्रविड़ लक्ष्मण बन गया, लक्ष्मण द्रविड़ बन गया ऐसा।
नहीं, but हाँ, but morning के सेशन में I thought like कोलकाता तक जाएगा नहीं, मतलब this is too good to be true for it to happen like so within a 2-year span. You cannot have another innings like this, and they almost again played out the entire day.
Exactly.
Lakshman only gets out in the third session, right? And that is my memory, like Rahul Dravid pulling Gillespie for a 6. वो short square boundaries जो अभी Adelaide में है नहीं basically. Those are really short. अभी कोई नहीं try करेगा. Very short square boundaries. और by the time we enter, we touch 400, we are now sure कि टेस्ट मैच हारने तो नहीं वाले हैं. That much we are certain about. And then what happens is the next day is like stuff of folklore. Ajit Agarkar happens.
And Sachin Tendulkar getting Steve Waugh.
हाँ, मेरे लिए ज्यादा अच्छा memories is Steve Waugh और मार्टिन का, सचिन का wickets basically. So that Dravid innings, not the best in terms of the bowling attack or quality of knock, that Dravid has played otherwise also. It is like
इसीलिए हाँ, that's the only
I'd
thing
rate.
that is, I mean, I know feeling the feeling that it gave me, but like
Mm.
that.
But 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 the see the context is that you have been thrashed in Australia for a long time, so we haven't come even close to winning a test match for a really long time. And यहाँ पे given the magnitude of the first innings target, right, 500 plus, turning that around and winning it, that makes the inning special more than the quality of the bowling attack. And it was a very flat wicket, unlike his knock earlier in the year, like in the previous year, which was at Headingley in 2002. It
Yeah.
was a much better innings according to me, quality technically, but this was something else
No, and
basically.
everything was coming together, right? I mean, it was a
Yeah.
fitting end. So Dravid scores
Mm.
the winning runs. Agarkar is with him.
And as important a knock in the second innings too.
Yeah,
Let's not
73, yeah, 72 or
Yeah.
73. And Parthiv Patel scored some important runs.
Here's the thing. I mean, we often talk about Australia's bowling attack, but if you look at the match scorecard and look at India's bowling attack, we were like again India's bowling attack बोलने में भी शर्म आता है, but like it's not like कि भाई इंडिया भी मतलब
Zaire gets injured in the
हाँ तो
first
बैटिंग
innings,
बैटिंग ही चल रहा है मैच में,
first test.
क्योंकि इंडिया में भी अगरकर और नेहरा जी बॉल हमारे मेन बॉलर्स हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में.
नेहरा जी ने हेडन को निकाला था.
अब नेहरा जी को टेस्ट मैच खिलाना ही मतलब मुझे डर लगता है कि कब टूट जाएंगे.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हाँ.
The funny thing is कि we were talking about how India toured and then Pakistan toured, and the same happens after India does this tour and does so well, then Pakistan comes to Australia, and by the time Pakistan comes, Vaughan, McGrath, everyone is fit.
Everyone is back.
So पहले टेस्ट मैच में मतलब डेविन मार्टिन सेकंड इनिंग्स में मतलब 80 के स्ट्राइक रेट पे 100 मारता है और पाकिस्तान को 540 का
हाँ.
टारगेट मिलता है और पाकिस्तान 72 ऑल आउट, मैग्राथ 8 विकेट. ऑस्ट्रेलिया literally used only 3 bowlers in the second innings. Like मतलब उनका भी luck कभी कभी like the way 2000 just their decline and their bad luck just continued with it.
और नहीं, और ये एडलेड के इनिंग में जस्ट टू ऐड गौतम गिमानी ने कमेंट्री किया था एक
Yeah,
शॉर्ट
yeah,
फेज
yeah,
में,
yeah.
है कि
हाँ.
नहीं, मतलब इफ आई एम नॉट
But गौतम
रॉन्ग.
भिमानी तो अभी भी है ना कमेंट्री वगैरह करता है.
नहीं, बट गौतम गिमानी इन लाइव कमेंट्री इज समथिंग आई हैड नेवर हर्ड ऑफ. लाइक क्यों ये
At
आदमी
that
क्यों
point they were
कमेंट्री कर रहा है?
I think he was supposed to be the next Harsha.
ओह, जस्ट नेवर टू
हर्षा
बी.
उन कोके ने बेटा गौतम भिमानी, ठीक है.
Any other memories of the game, two of you?
So for me, the primary memory is actually Lakshman hitting McGill in that same partnership. Like
Yeah.
McGill is
Hmm.
bowling, and I don't know like what. Like I think there was a rough. I think McGill is bowling round the wicket, like on their pads, and Lakshman अपना पैर ऐसे हल्का सा निकाल के using those rubbery wrists, and like it was basically as if कि match मतलब Adelaide में नहीं हो रहा, match ऐसे मोहाली में हो रहा है, ऐसा लगा. By the way he was
और थ्रू द कवर्स भी, हाँ, द
Makes
सेम
sense,
लेंथ से
Lakshman.
थ्रू द
That,
कवर्स.
that's what. Matlab, Lakshman, the only thing is like had he never become a commentator, I would have just like the batsman Lakshman in my head is so much there, and the commentator Lakshman is like, वही मारेंगे, फिर ही जाएंगे. That and as we talked, Sasta Bretley. Like you don't have, you need someone with the same hairstyle, so you bring in Andy Bickle, who's like
एंडी विकल को विकेट बहुत मिलता था यार, मतलब एंडी विकल वुड ब्रेक
he's
द
a 7
बेस्ट
for in a one day.
possible inning.
Remember 2003
7
World
for in
Cup?
a one day, and he had this knack of taking Sachin ka wicket and things like that. मतलब with the worst possible delivery, short outside off stump, wide, उसको कोई कट करके कॉट बिहाइंड हो गया. बिकल का विकेट्स वैसे ही मिलता था.
आगरकर जैसा basically.
हम्म.
कैसा भी बॉल.
बिकल ब्रेंडन जूलियन
ब्रेंडन
Brendan
जूलियन तो
ये
अभी
सारा
आजकल
लोग
कमेंट्री कर रहा है.
Yeah.
कर रहा है.
BJ.
हाँ.
BJ.
हाँ, और
बीजे.
गंदी बात नहीं करो बेटा पॉट पे. तो लाइक ब्रेंडन जूलियन हो गया कुछ मोस्ट गुड लुकिंग क्रिकेटर्स की लिस्ट अगर बनेंगे तो ब्रेंडन जूलियन का नाम आएगा.
Yeah, he's like Jamie Lannister.
हाँ, और एक और ऐसे जिम्बाब्वे का एक था एंडी ब्लिगनॉट, याद है?
Yeah, and
उसने तो क्रिकेट छोड़ के वो मॉडलिंग करने लगा. नहीं
हाँ.
सीरियसली सीरियसली ही
Yeah.
मॉडलिंग करने लगा वो तो मतलब खैर एनीवे. So this was Dravid and this was our childhood. So it's almost again like that because I remember this game, this like I think 11th वगैरह में था मैं, and स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स फंक्शन कुछ हो रहा है और ये टेस्ट मैच चल रहा है, लाइक somehow Dravid's growth as a player and the changes in my life go parallel to each other. um anyway, Nishant, any specific memories?
अच्छा, द सेम इवनिंग मुझे ना 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए कुछ प्राइज मिला था, द सेम इवनिंग एज दैट. अब मुझे याद आया, स्कूल से 10th स्टैंडर्ड का एग्जाम्स हुआ था, आई वाज एंटरिंग 11th का फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर था, एंड आई हैड सम लेम अवार्ड, लाइक 10th स्टैंडर्ड में इंग्लिश में मार्क्स मिला है, समथिंग
Ajit
लाइक दैट.
Agarkar special
So that
talent
is
award.
another talent award, the same evening. So I feel all upbeat about life that day.
जैसे कुछ कुछ प्लेयर्स, जैसे अजीत आगरकर जैसे, तुम लोग क्रिकेट सम्राट पढ़ते थे क्या छोटे में?
Yes.
तो
हाँ
तो
हाँ,
मेरे
I
पास
was
एक क्रिकेट सम्राट का
हाँ.
ओल्ड एडिशन था जो मैंने बाद में पढ़ा होगा, 94 93 का एडिशन था, मैं 94 95 में पढ़ा होगा वो, और उसमें अजीत आगरकर के ऊपर एक पीस था कि ऐसा बॉम्बे सर्कल में एक नया प्लेयर आ रहा है, बैटिंग में सचिन और बॉलिंग में हेडली, ऐसा ये सब एकदम फुल ऑन है।
मतलब नया
अजीत आगरकर,
कपिल देव का,
एग्जैक्टली कपिल देव था वो।
कपिल देव ढूंढते थे ना हम लोग वो टाइम पे.
तो अजीत आगरकर वन डाउन खेला इंडिया के लिए,
Fine.
ठीक है?
वन डाउन श्रीनाथ ने भी खेला है भाई.
वो टाइम था यार।
अजीत आगरकर का वन डाउन 95 है, आगरकर का वन डाउन में वेस्ट इंडीज
वो
के
टाइम
खिलाफ.
था
आगरकर
अभी।
हैज आगरकर है ना, लॉर्ड्स में
फास्टेस्ट हाफ
सेंचुरी है ना.
सेंचुरी, लॉर्ड्स में सेंचुरी भी
No,
है, फास्टेस्ट हाफ सेंचुरी
yeah,
भी है।
yeah.
और आगरकर,
So
वो आगरकर had that backlift way before Sehwag had, so that is that also. Okay.
एलिगेंट बैट्समैन,
elegant
आई मस्ट से.
batsman, yes.
हाँ मतलब था,
मतलब कपिल देव ढूंढते ढूंढते हम लोग वी हैड टू फाइनली
मतलब
सेटल फॉर हार्दिक पांड्या.
अगर बहुत ही तुम लोग गाली दोगे, बट अगर आगरकर को थोड़ा सा और खाना वाना खिला के थोड़ा सा हेल्दी कर दो, तो उसका बैटिंग स्टांस मार्को जैसा है काफी।
Mark was one of those unfulfilled destiny stories now. मतलब वो अलग ही topic
It's
है.
still a decent career, I'd say. I mean
Yeah,
not
decent. I mean, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में था तो वर्ल्ड कप तो फोकट में जीत ही जाते थे, but like he's a world cup winner, but I mean test match wise he averages like 40 41 or something.
वो तो है. But moving on, Nishant, your pick for this segment
So this is 2005 Ashes.
again.
मतलब we must have
ऑस्ट्रेलिया वो
spent 10
करेंगे
hours.
अपन.
Yeah, so 10 hours watching that 1 hour documentary, like by pausing and then going back. एक तो वो Mark Nicholas is hosting the documentary, so that's another thing. So so before this, by the way, so the innings is the last test where KP scores like the most bizarre 158 ever, like the most bizarre 100 ever. Bizarre
Definitely.
as in chaotic, like I don't know what that was. Like the atmosphere was electric. It was the Ashes. Brett Lee was bowling at his peak, like 150. वो मजाक में फेंक रहा था. It was a rain curtailed game. Still, Australia were close to saving the Ashes. Were 2-1. They were already behind. They had lost the previous test by 1 run. I mean, that whole series is just another level.
Yeah, definitely.
And before this, KP, I think he debuted. इसका डेब्यू था I think against South Africa in a one day series before this,
Yeah.
where he had scored like 3 centuries. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
but this was his test debut series. This Ashes was his first test series. And so the situation of the match is that KP, and by the way, that KP with all those random colors in his hair.
Mohawk.
So so that was, I don't know what that was. I think
Mohawk बोलते हैं ना.
before him. No, not even a mohawk. So mohawk is like जब तुम side से, so basically I don't know why this obvious joke wasn't made. अभी ये जो Avengers आई थी ना, इसमें Hawkeye had a mohawk, but no one called him Mohawkeye, which is kind of
Oh,
ironic.
you should have
So
tweeted that.
I did,
अच्छा,
but
वही हो
मेरे
जाता है ना,
followers नहीं ज़्यादा.
4
So
लोग ही retweet. Anyway,
yeah,
हाँ,
exactly.
Peterson.
Anyway, so Mohawk is that Peterson just had randomly कहीं तो आगे थोड़े से सफेद हैं, पीछे थोड़े से नीले हैं, so that was something else. But anyway, so this is like England are ahead in the series. They are about to reclaim the Ashes after so much drama, and the matches, like all matches of that series, it's going even Steven. England ने पहले मैच में 370 something बना दिए. Australia लगभग like England were only 5 or 6 runs ahead, I think. I just opened the scorecard. Yeah, they were 6 runs ahead. और फिर थोड़ा बारिश भी हुई and all. But then all of a sudden, Australia turns it up. और England second innings में they're like 60 for 3.
Yeah.
और 60 for 3 में Peterson's first ball, मतलब Megra balls a bouncer, Peterson falls down.
It's
He
a hat trick
gloves
ball.
it.
It's a hat
Yeah,
trick
it's a
ball.
hat trick ball. Yeah, and he gloves it and somehow survives. It goes over the slips or something.
It
And
was
उसके बाद फिर एक catch छूटा उसका. Like then Vaughn was bowling and he gets dropped in the slips.
Hayden. Hayden
Yeah, I
dropped
mean,
him.
if it was slips in that, then it
Yeah.
must have been Hayden. And then Tony Gregg comes into the commentary box. and just like Peterson just goes berserk. Like I think he scored that 100. Again, it was like almost a run of all innings. And he hit 7 sixes, including to Brett Lee. Like Brett Lee bouncer dal raha hai and he's just hooking them. And this was a time where this was 2005, right? So 2005 for me was a drop year, like the gap year. So बहुत उम्मीदें थी मेरे को घर वालों को, तो बोला कि चल कोई बात नहीं, फिर से जेई देना अगली बार. So I said okay, अच्छा टाइम है, एशेस भी है, कहीं ना स्कूल जाना है ना कॉलेज जाना है. So that was the time. So again, England में मैच है, you don't have to go anywhere. थोड़ा I mean दिन में मम्मी पापा दोनों they're going to work and you're watching. To the most part, because England में हो रहा है, then it means it must have started at like 2 in the afternoon or something. So yeah, and then the sixes that he hit to Vaughan, man, I mean, just slog sweeps and slog sweeps and slog sweeps, and he just kept hitting them, and somehow Ashley Giles survived with him. Like, of all people, Ashley Giles.
Cricket
Like
director.
Flintoff came and went, yeah, Collingwood came and went, Ian Bell, जो मतलब 2011 में, like he was scoring double hundreds. All of a sudden, they started comparing him to Tendulkar, man. If you remember, Ian Bell was like
Ian Bell.
but anyway, so he came and went. But Peterson रुका ही नहीं. Like it was
Gojo.
Yeah, it was chaotic kind. Like I mean, he was edging, he was getting dropped. It was going for 4, and he was also timing at the same time. But then with rain and all, eventually they saved it. So
It was a very
yeah.
chancy innings.
It was a very chancy innings, very chancy. But मतलब, despite being dropped and all, he wasn't backing out. He was amazing counter punch.
Peterson being Peterson, yeah.
Yeah, it was Peterson being Peterson. Yeah, exactly.
I used to support Australia in that series for some reason.
Why would you do that?
I couldn't stand England winning a series. I don't know why. क्योंकि for some reason I couldn't stand.
Now I also.
No, even at that time, for some reason, because when Australia, I don't know, England से कुछ पुरानी दुश्मनी है. I don't get, like, I never support.
200 साल राज किया उन्होंने हम पे.
No, everyone is surprised when I say that I support Australia over England. At least some people who are like cricket nerds in my friend circle, they are all surprised. But for some reason, I never liked England winning. मतलब
और मेरे लिए तो वो भी था ना कि काफी टाइम तक इंडिया वाज द ओनली टीम टू हैव बीटन ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन दैट पास्ट डेकेड. तो इसके लिए ऐसा भी था कि अरे यार इंग्लैंड जीत गया तो फिर देन
नेशनलिस्ट,
फिर अपना नेशनलिस्ट प्राइड जो है वो चला जाएगा.
And especially in this series, इतना close था that of course that match which they lost by 2 runs. Then Ponting and Megra batting for like 1 hour together in bad light to save a match. So there was this soft corner for Australia that इतना try कर रहे हैं, they can't lose it.
And Australia almost like after that Birmingham test they became underdogs जैसे ही हो गया था ना. They lose Megra in that test where they fight tooth and nail for that last wicket partnership.
No, they have Megra in the 5th test.
No, in the 5th test they do. I'm saying the context, like in the lead up.
Yeah.
So I was like caught between which team to support to begin with. So Lords mein somehow I am supporting England, like 50-50 situation. So then you want the series to be tight. So second test mein you are like, अरे match अच्छा होना चाहिए. But then that game is going one-sided. Then you see a Brett Lee Shane Warne partnership. You tried supporting Australia for that hour. That series, my abiding memory is this switching loyalties again and again.
It was that good, and this was his first 100, like first Ashes 100, first career 100, and Yeah.
But his very first innings in that series was like that. He announced his
85 बनाया ना
arrival that
उसने
way. That 50
अच्छा
odd एक बनाया था ना.
Yeah,
हाँ
he
फर्स्ट
had
टेस्ट में
हाँ
like
ही फर्स्ट
50s
टेस्ट
and
में
70s there, and they were also like
हाँ
run ball 50s and 70s. So yeah.
70s. So ये last day में I was still hoping. So I was supporting Australia. So I remember Sean Tate in one short spell was bowling really quick, really good actually. I think he किसी का तो bold निकाला था उसने. Maybe Geraint Jones or someone. Paul Collingwood, I don't remember. I think it was Jones. Jones himself had a decent
Hmm.
series till then with the bat. So when Jones gets out to Tate, Australia still have hope at that point. That is when Giles walks in उसके
Yeah.
बाद ही. So वो time तक I had hope, but then Peterson then just runs away, and Peterson takes on Vaughan also
Yeah,
in that inning.
he was sweeping one out of. I mean,
हाँ
he wasn't even worrying where the ball was pitching. He was just cow corner, cow corner, cow
फन
corner.
हाँ.
फैक्ट अभी अभी जेराइंट जोन्स क्या कर रहा है तुम लोगों को पता
जेरन जोन्स
है
पापा न्यू गिनी
एग्जैक्टली
का कोच था
खेला
ना,
भी
और
पापुआ न्यू गिनी के लिए वो
खेला भी है.
Oh,
हाँ
really?
हाँ.
So it's still like a British territory or what? Like
नहीं he
how are
was
the
born in
logistics
Papua New
working?
Guinea I don't know
Geraint Jones was born in Papua New Guinea. हाँ.
Oh, okay.
और वो dual citizenship allow करते हैं but
Hmm.
anyway the reason that I supported England throughout is that I just couldn't like Australia was just I mean उस time पे even if Pakistan was playing Australia I would support Pakistan that was how I was
I was
and
the other way around. Like Pakistan was playing England, I was support Pakistan.
मेरा पता है, I used to support Pakistan in most of their overseas games. मतलब Pakistan except Pakistan versus
Yeah,
India,
somehow they are also my
every other
second favorite always. Yeah.
I've always rooted for Pakistan. Even in that 99 2000 series that you are talking about, जो
Hmm.
Gilchrist वाला, even then I supported Pakistan.
but England had your Simon Jones and Harmison
Yeah.
and
Oh man, Simon
that
Jones. Yeah.
basically like again unfulfilled potential right but
Injuries,
Hmm.
injuries.
हाँ तो
Simon.
उनको देख के पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा क्योंकि देखो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बॉलर्स लाइक आई डोंट नो एटलीस्ट उनको देख के मुझे लगता था कि इंडिया विल नेवर बी एबल टू प्रोड्यूस बॉलर्स लाइक दिस बट जोन्स और हार्मिसन वर लाइक इंडियन मोल्ड वाले बॉलर्स हु स्विंग करते हैं बहुत ऐसा बेसिकली रिलाई ऑन स्विंग सो सम
Harmison उतना नहीं, Jones
क्या
Yeah,
definitely.
but
बोल रहा
Jones
हाँ.
had pace, man. Jones was definitely pacey more than
Reverse
than Indian
reverse
bowlers.
swing
Yeah.
bowler.
So anyway, so my loyalties were with England, and then this was so we were talking about like you were telling us कि एक catch drop होता है first ball पे
Mm.
hat trick ball रहती है. There was a run out chance that was missed, then he was dropped. Then even there was a catch that Vaughan dropped off his. I think Brett Lee के
Yeah,
ball पे
yeah, yeah,
हाँ,
yeah,
तो
yeah.
he like and all of this happens before he reaches his 50.
Hmm.
And उसके बाद भी बंदा like the confidence like then there is a ball that Vaughan bowls this is I think after he's made 50 rough से Vaughan turn करा रहा है उसके pads पे and there's
Hmm.
like he's basically he's doing a Lakshman to Vaughan
Yeah,
है ना
yeah, yeah.
Lakshman. Exactly.
फिर Brett Lee is bowling at 95 and उसका I think it was his century or 50 I'm not entirely sure but he basically up in the air straight drive Brett Lee के सर के ऊपर से मार के छक्का and that's how he gets to the mark
Yeah.
so this was an innings where if you just like if you have no context of cricket and if you just watch it you'll be like yeah England is like the most dominant or at least this batsman and like this
Yeah.
bowling team is okay this batsman is like one of the most dominant batsmen ever and he's doing his
Just
thing
in his debut series, though.
yeah and he's in his debut series exactly this was like this is one of those innings again joe like you have to have enormous self belief to play
Yeah.
an innings like this abhi matlab there are many bats like when we every time that I look at Kevin Peterson this is what I think. K- We often talk about left-handed batsmen looking elegant, and they look if you look at cricket. But Kevin Peterson का stance खड़े होने का तरीका अगर उसको mirror लगा तो काफी युवराज जैसा है left hand
Yeah.
युवराज जैसा.
and I just always feel that Yuvraj is again an unfulfilled potential for me. Even Kevin could make like Kevin great batsman, but I think had we nurtured Yuvraj or at least Ganguly उस period में he would have realized that he doesn't deserve a place in the 11 and had let Yuvraj get in earlier, I think we would have seen a different Yuvraj. We missed a lot of good years of Yuvraj.
But Peterson, for his very short career, I think had a big impact.
Yeah,
मतलब
he was.
the sheer concentration of match-winning innings, unmatched
Definitely.
actually in that phase.
Mumbai.
Oh yeah, I mean again, I thought
Mumbai,
we will include that innings because that innings is all like उसका Indian equivalent I think Adelaide का 233 Dravid का because like you never win there.
नहीं, I'd say Headingley
I guess yeah,
equivalent है,
you're right. Yeah.
given the given
yeah.
the wicket conditions. हाँ.
No, definitely. And I mean
And probably at double the pace than that one.
Yeah, I had the saubhagya of watching it live.
Wankhede.
So, from Wankhede में Wankhede में आया भूत. That is the as the famous Wankhede chant goes.
I know.
You can
I know.
fill
Mahanama
up the
की.
rest.
I know. हाँ मतलब वहाँ पे जो भी ऑपोजिशन टीम होती है, आई नो मुझे महानामा याद है कि
नहीं,
वानखेड़े में आया भूत महानामा की.
अगर वो भी नहीं तो पाकिस्तान
क्या पाकिस्तान ना भी खेले.
ना भी खेले. हाँ. और अगर गलती से in that game or some other game at Wankhede, Alimdar was the umpire, तो डायरेक्टली पाकिस्तान कनेक्शन मिल गया तो अलीमदार
सीरियसली इसीलिए अलीमदार दाढ़ी बनाने लगा. हमने उसको बना दिया है वो. Anyway, you were saying something, Nishant.
No, I was just saying, should we move on to the next one?
Yeah, so I think we should take a small break and then move on to the next one. We just did 3, right?
Yeah.
Final
so for this segment, because we talked about Yuvraj, so I think the deserved sponsor of this segment is Yograj Singh. You know why? Because fuck Dhoni.
Because Dhoni is now out of the team. Yeah.
Fuck Dhoni. That's why.
And again, immense and thrilling power. And that's a beautiful stroke with which to make a maiden test century. The last test match of an Ashes series. Captain Peterson, who top scored for England in the first test of the series at Lord's, gone off the boil a little bit in the meantime, but he is back on it again today, just when needed.